Ada was excited over her appointment later to do her IT in Abuja, but at the same time anxious on what Abuja will be like, especially because she has never been there before and so doesn't know what to expect. She was lost in thought without noticing her mother, who is standing behind her. Although the mother is happy for her daughter, but seems to be troubled, as if there is something she's afraid of not happening. But seeing her daughter's worried face, she came close to her, held her hands and assured her, "Don't worry, Abuja will favor you," she prayed. Then she continued, "I will miss you, but don't forget that it's all for good. So be positive and brave for me, your mother. Go and bathe, Joe. Time is not on your side." Few minutes later, she's all set with her box heading to the park. But the mother couldn't help but worry while missing her at the same time. Only if she knows. Only if I have told her.
Don't worry, Mommy, I will be fine. I wish she is aware. I wish she knows.
Well, Ada heard her, but continued with her journey. In the bus, some people were eating, some were chatting, some were looking out to the window. Ada was one side, playing her mother's words in her head. But what does she mean? What was my mother hiding?
I wish she is aware. I wish she knows. What is my mother hiding from me?